Hi everyone and welcome back to my class. In this video I will cover class 7 maths chapter number 3 data handling exercise 3.4 question number 1. If anybody is there who want to watch my previous video exercise, you can go to my YouTube channel and you can find out there. So question number 1. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible can be happen but not certain. Certain to happen means certainly it can happen, and impossible means there is no any possibility. Can happen but not certain means it can happen but it is not certain that yes, not sure it will happen. So question number 1, you are older today than yesterday means older today than yesterday. You are older today than yesterday. Did you understand this line? Older means what? You are older than yesterday or not? Yesterday if you are 12 years and 12 years and 2 days, today you will be how much? 12 years and 3 days. That means you are older than 1 day, isn't it? So it will be what? Certain to happen. Yes, it will be certain to happen means it is possible, it is certain. Now second one, a tossed coin will land head up. Now if you will toss a coin, it will land head or tail, isn't it? You cannot say exactly it will be head or you cannot say it will be tail. So it is what? The answer will be can happen but not certain. Yes, it can happen. Yes, head. It can be head also but not certain. Means we cannot say exactly. We cannot say 100% right. 100% head will come, we cannot say. But yes, head can come also. So the answer will be can happen but not certain. Now number 3, a die when tossed means die, you know, the dice means what? The Ludo, isn't it? We know how to play Ludo. And the die in die, how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? So we know a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. Is there 8 number on die? No, isn't it? So there is no 8 number in the die. So the answer will be what? Impossible. So answer will be impossible. So that is not possible. Now question number 4. The next traffic light seen will be green. Yes, we cannot say exactly the next traffic light will be green. It can be yellow also, but yes, green will also come, isn't it? So the answer will be what? Can happen but not certain. So answer will be can happen, not certain. Now question number 5. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Yes, tomorrow maybe it is cloudy or it is a rainy day or it is sunny day. We cannot say, but it can be cloudy also. So the answer for 5 will also be can happen but not certain. Hope you have understood about this. So you can see the answer here. These are the answer. Number 1 answer is certain. Second answer can happen but not certain. And number 3 impossible, isn't it? Because in dice there is no 8 number, so it is impossible. In die only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks are there. Now for 4 it can happen but not certain, isn't it? So head can come also but it is not certain. Now 5 can happen but not certain. Okay, now come to next question. Question number 2. There are 6 marbles in a box with number from 1 to 6 marks on each of them. So there is a marble, okay? How many marbles? 6 marble. And in 6 marble we have given a mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? So from the box, if you will take out one marble, you cannot means you have to find the possibility that you will take out 2 which is written on the marble, okay? So what you have to find? The probability of drawing a marble with number 2. So in that marble the number will be 2. And the next question, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? So this is what? 1 marble, 2 marble, 3 marble, 4, 5 and 6. Here it is written 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, 5 and 6, and these all are kept inside the box. Now you have to find the probability of drawing a marble with number 2, isn't it? So how many number 2 written marble is there? Only one, isn't it? So only one. So for finding the probability, number of the favorable outcome. Favorable outcome means which outcome you want 2, isn't it? So how many 2 is there? Only one, isn't it? So here it will be only 1. And number of possible outcome. Number of possible outcome means it can come 1 also, it can come 2 also, it can come 3 also, it can come 4 marbles also, because you will not see the marbles, isn't it? You will took out one marbles without seeing, okay, without seeing it. You will not find out the number 2 and you will take out. Just randomly you will take only one marbles from the box. So it can come 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, 5 also and 6 also. So that will be what? Total number of possible outcome. And your favorable means what you want? You want to take out number 2, isn't it? So 2 probability will be 1 upon 6. How much? 1 upon 6. This will be 1 upon 6. Because appearance of 2 means probability appearance of 2 is equal to 1 upon 6. Hope you have understood. Now next question is given is what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? So this will also be same, because number of favorable outcome, how many 5 number ball will be there? Only 1, isn't it? So 1 upon, and total number is how much? Total ball marbles is how much? 6. So 1 upon 6. So this answer is also 1 upon 6. Now come to question number 3. A coin is flipped to decide which team start the game. Okay, you will flip a coin and you will say, according to the coin you will decide whose team will start the game. What is the probability that your team will start? So how you will do? A coin has 2 pairs, isn't it? A coin has how many pairs? 2. One head and tail. One team can obtain either head or tail, isn't it? So one team will take head and another will take tail. In this way the probability will be what? Number of favorable outcome will be what? 1, isn't it? And 1 upon 2. Number of possible outcome is 2. Head and tail is 2, isn't it? So 1 upon 2. So probability that your team will start the game will be what? Half. That means 50% chance that your half means what? 50% chance of your team will start the game first. Okay, the chance is only 50%. Now next question number 4. A box contains pair of socks. Okay, in a box there is a pair of socks
of 2 colors, black and white. There's 2 pairs of socks, black and white. I have picked out a white socks. I pick out one more with my eyes closed. Okay, first without closing the eyes from the box, what we did? I pick out one white socks. One white socks is out, isn't it? And after that, the person closed the eyes and picking one socks from the box. What is the probability that it will make a pair? Make a pair means when you will take out another socks. What is the probability that that socks will be of white color? If you will, because first you have already taken out one white socks, isn't it? And the another, and next time you close your eyes and if you will take out, then what will be the probability that that socks will be what? White color. So it will be what? The favorable outcome will be 1, isn't it? And the total number of socks. The total number of socks. There was 2 pair. In 2 pair, how many socks are there? 4 socks, isn't it? But one socks is already taken out. Then how many will remain? 3 will remain. So the probability will be what? 1. You need one white color because only one